So we've literally just finished the bathroom renovation. We did an overhaul of the entire bathroom and the toilet. We're absolutely wrapped, very excited about it.
Well, the old space wasn't working for us because it didn't have a bath. We wanted a bath for the kids, and it was just a little too cramped, so we thought, let's build a new bathroom and make it bigger.
The expected timeline was 4 to 6 weeks. We started out by planning the layout. Then we went into Mitre and basically chose all our products in one fell swoop. We then got quotes and booked in our tradies, and then it was straight into the build and installation so we could move into the house.
It's a very exciting day today actually. The plumber's here, and before that the builder put the cradle in for the bath. In the overall design, we decided to keep the toilet separate. We kind of went back and forth a bit, but we decided on having a bigger bathroom, pushing everything out, and putting the door in a different place. So far this has been the hardest part of our renovation because this is the only hands-on stuff we've done. All the products were delivered today and we're quite excited. I found the design part really fun because we never had the opportunity to actually make design decisions. It was always very functional. Very nice. So overall it's all coming together. Next will be the builder putting all the jib up and the tiles. I'm quite excited about getting the tiles in, because that will make it look finished, of course, yeah.
The moment that we saw the finished space, we were just over the moon. I think the tiling was the thing that really lifted it.
So we decided to go halfway up with the tiles, both to make the room look bigger and I suppose cost as well.
We're really happy. We've got the bath for the kids, we've got a beautiful shower and more space. There were certainly some lessons that we learned. We sort of casually ambled into the local Mitre and just chose everything and forgot that it needed to be actually ordered. It's very easy to get seduced by getting a big shower and nice tiles and that sort of thing, but we forgot a tap at one point, we forgot a plug. It's a bit stressful when you've got tradies on the clock and they need that sort of stuff. The better planned you are, the better the result.
We would renovate again, 100%. We got a big bathroom, lovely shower, clean. We're stoked.